In this tutorial, we'll go and explain how to set up a pop-up system. So again, we will select our 2D button or button 2D element, give it a name, we call it PopUp. The scale, for this we can use the info icon. Make sure your icons are sprites. Then we want this also to appear as a sticky, or no, as a billboard, but you can use it also as a normal, depending on where you want this to appear. So we again select a billboard, then in the list we select pop-up, add action, give us a name, we call it pop-up, or give it a name where you want this appear. It can be books, pop-up, whatever you want, and hit create button. So we select our button, we go and place it wherever we want. Let's say we want a pop-up to appear when you click or enter a trigger area, and it shows a plane where you can use or you can put any texture or information actually on there that you want to appear. If we select our pop-up, go to the inspector, you can see that we added, collapse this, it added this PopUpAction script. We have the image type, we have two options. It's either a sprite or a texture. If we use a texture, the hiding timer automatically will hide after 5 seconds, so you can play with it, and you can control it yourself. So we just have to drag in a texture. So now it's a sprite. Let's make this a texture first. Apply. Now if we select a pop-up again, just drag in, and you see that this appeared over there. Image panel, we can make it bigger, add the separate material if we want it. It's completely, so if we add the same thing in the emission, you see that the text goes here. You can add any image over there to show information over there. And the other option that we have, if we select the pop-up, if we select the sprite, this is exactly the same thing, just change depending on what you prefer. But so you can use any sprite for this. Again, we select this, and then now we can drag this. So is again the image panel, we make it, scale it to the size we want, and we can even independent if we want, but because it's so we select it as a billboard, it's not easy to rotate it. If we use the normal option, then we are able to rotate it as well. So once we've done this, it's very easy. We just again select the camera, run it, point it to our button, pop up and everything, and it will appear over there. Click over there again, it's gone. That's it, easy to set up, and we will go in the next video and explain how the reset transform will not be explained right now because that's linked to the Vive controller. So we'll explain that together. We'll go and explain how to set up send message. Hope you enjoyed, and see you in the next tutorial.